Cool, hey? Okay. Now, the fun part. We're running a Raspberry Pi 3 and we're running CaffeineOS, and this is pretty cool from what I can see. It's working very smoothly. So I've got the CoffinOS 64 emulator here. Yeah. We'll try, but look at this. It'll blow you away. We'll go double drag. That's loading screen. Wow. Not sure which button to press. Here we go. So it works, okay. Not a pause, okay, cool. Okay, so we're single play, double plays. Okay, so that's that one. Which one select? There you go. Back to this launcher. It's pretty cool. It's got this Windows style launcher down here, and yeah. Mac seems to work very fast as well. And let's go to this option here, seems to be good. We're going to do 8-bit color. Seems to run very fast. Yeah, it's running much faster than CoffinOS. So yeah, we're into Finder. Nearly there, come on. While we wait, that's the Amiga. Okay, something's come up, and what I like doing was running Photoshop. Right. Just seems a bit more responsive than the Coffin. Okay, so you've got to start a new put in 256 colours. Let's see them right here, and we can paint something. It's a bit of a lag before you see it. Flood fill. Paint bucket, there you go. Cool. So there you go. So that works. Quit. Don't save. Get back to Finder and end the session. We're back to Amiga. I guess let's try and play some. Is there a game? I think there's a game right down here. It's instant launching game stuff. Wonderboy WHD Live. Let's try that. No, come on, open up. Here we go. iGame. What we want to see. Right, let's try this out. It's a good game. Try K+. Okay. I think it's F10 to quit. Okay. So that's already booted quite quickly.